get high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Hey, welcome to DNA Drives. My name's Garrett, and in today's video I'll be talking a little bit about the Vland taillights that I recently bought for my 2013 Scion FRS. Now I got these headlights from eBay. They cost me 250 bucks out the door, and if you are looking into getting yourself one of these set of taillights, I highly recommend it. It's for your FRS BRZ or 86. I believe they fit the 86. These will definitely spice up the look of your car tremendously. So with these taillights, you are able to have a sequential turn signal, but the way that these come straight from the factory, they're not set up like that. So you do have to change a couple of the wires. What you'll want to do is take one of the yellow wires and unplug it, and then take one of the green wires and unplug it, and swap those two wires, and that will give you your sequential turn signal. Shout out to my friend Rio for giving me that tip. I had no idea that it was like that from the factory. I thought that they were just plug and play and you had a sequential turn signal, but that's not exactly the case, and luckily it's an easy swap, so that's pretty cool. Hey, if you made it towards the end of this video, I just want to thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you learned something out of this video, and if you did, and if you're new around here, consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. That way I know that it helped you guys out. There is a ton of FRS content to come on the way, so if you like FRS and BRZ stuff, this is the channel for you. And then we also do have a 2016 Hyundai Genesis Coupe that's on the channel, full of content. The other co-founder of the channel is working on that. And then we also have a 300 SRT 8, that rare, beautiful V8 car that Chrysler no longer makes. So we're filling that gap on YouTube. And hopefully you like all three of those cars and subscribe after watching this video. Hope to see you back next time for another DNA Drives video. Thanks a lot. Take care.
It all started when a met another and they met another and they became the trio. The end.